In this video, I'm going to show you how to code a Get Started button that you may want to use here for your particular company. Now, this Start My Free Trial button is already coded for the Power Lead system, so you don't have to do anything. But suppose you accidentally deleted this or changing the buttons and you decided you want to come back to this button here and you don't know how to code it. The way you code the Start My Free Trial button for the Power Lead system is you're going to click on Variables to your web page. This drop-down menu right here has all the pages in your system, even the ones you've created, and all you're going to do is scroll down just a little tiny bit, and you're going to notice right here it says check out page 1 name and email. You're going to click on the word create, and then you're just going to grab this code right here in the section called good for buttons. It starts with a /, and after you copy that, you're just going to come back, click on the link icon right here, and just paste that code right there. Make sure the protocol says other, and now that is coded absolutely correct. Now suppose that you're creating a mini site, you want other people to use it, and it's for a company outside of the Power Lead system. Well, the first thing you're going to do is probably change this button here. So you're going to highlight the button. You're going to click on the image icon right there, click on Browse Server, and you're going to click on Custom Library. And of course, you could have used your own button. Maybe you've uploaded one of your own buttons that will be inside the one called My Library. Once you're in Custom Library, we've got a lot of buttons here for you to use. You might want to just grab one that says, like, Get Started Now. Here's one right here, and I'm going to click OK. Now, if clicking OK doesn't work to get rid of this, just click on the X, and you'll notice that that will put that button right there. Now, in order to code that button, the first thing I guess we would need to know here, I'm going to save my changes and come back. If you click on Getting Started and you click on Companies You Promote, you will need to put a URL. So whatever company that you're in that you're creating a link for to get to the sign up page, because everybody using your share code, you want it to link to their sign up page. So find whatever company that is. I'll just choose one at random here, Sankey 1. I'm going to click here to save. So if I was in that company, this company would have a specific Getting Started URL that bypassed the main page of the corporate website and brought my prospects directly to the Getting Started page. So this might be something like, and it would have like my username in it. And I would click here to save. Now, anytime you've ever done that, it's going to show up in the drop-down menu on the page you're working on. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go back to that page that I was just working on. And here it is right here. So I'm going to scroll down. And what I'm going to do is click on the variables to your web page. And this section right here, as long as you've created a URL exactly like you just watched me do, you're going to see that in the drop-down menu here. And there it is right there. So I'm just going to select that and I'm going to click create. And you'll notice right here it says good for buttons. And so I'm going to grab this code right here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back. The button is highlighted. Make sure that's highlighted. So click on the link icon and then paste that right here. Make sure the protocol is other. And depending on whether you want this to pop up into a new window or not, if you don't, just click OK. If you do want to pop that up into a new window, you would click on Target and you would set this to New Window Blank and click OK. That's a personal preference. So now, suppose you've created a mini site. You would give all of your people using your share code instructions. When they grab that share code, they're going to need to go to the Companies I Promote section and paste in their personal Getting Started page URL for, in our example, the company was Sankey. So that way, when they're using your share code, all of their prospects, when they click on Get Started Now, that will now link to their Getting Started page for that company.